In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a page private in the Squarespace app. This is a helpful feature for those who want to restrict access to certain parts of their website, whether it's to create exclusive content for specific users or simply to have more control over who sees what. We'll break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, you need to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. This is the central hub from where all the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the navigation pane. Next, look for the section labeled Website and click on it. This will take you to another page where you'll see various options related to your website's configuration and customization. The interface here is designed to be intuitive, so you should have no problem finding what you need. After clicking Website, your next step is to click on Pages. Here, all the pages on your website will be displayed. Now, this is where you start narrowing in on the specific page you'd like to make private. It's important to ensure that you're selecting the correct page, as these settings will control access permissions. Once you've identified the page, click on the gear icon next to it. This icon is small but crucial as it opens up a dialog box containing various settings you can adjust for the page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available, which include SEO settings, URL slug changes, and of course, the privacy features. Now, in the Settings dialog box, you'll notice a section where you can input a password. This is the key step in making your page private. By entering a password, you set a gate that only those with the correct key can pass through to view the content. Think of it as putting a lock on the door of your page's content. Choose a password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. With the password set, the final step is to click on Save. This action confirms all the changes you've made, including implementing the new privacy settings. The Save button often goes unnoticed, but it's essential to ensure that all your adjustments take effect. And there you have it. You've successfully made a page on your Squarespace site private. Make sure to share the new password only with those you want to grant access to the page. Keeping this process in mind will allow you to manage your site's privacy efficiently in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.